For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a natural fresh makeup look for spring and summer. Our model has a normal to combination skin type. Start with moisturizing the skin. It is important that the skin is deeply hydrated and saturated before you apply any makeup. I use Lancome Génifique. It is a great serum that works to improve the texture of the skin in the long term. Then I apply Biotherms Aqua Glow Super Concentrate that is a lightweight moisturizing emulsion for a healthier looking skin. After that, I apply BASEOFSWEDEN's The Base Primer. It leaves the skin velvety smooth and has a calming effect on the skin. It has an all-organic and natural formula which strengthens the skin. Time for the foundation. I am using BASEOFSWEDEN's The Base Foundation in the shade Brave. It has a neutral undertone. I take 1 to 2 pumps and apply it with a damp makeup sponge. I buff the foundation into the skin, one area at a time. This foundation contains SPF 30 that will protect your skin from the sun. It is also waterproof. If you mix it with your moisturizer, you will get a lighter coverage. Here I get a medium coverage from using 2 pumps of the foundation. Now you can see to the left, she's not wearing any makeup. And to the right, she is wearing 1 layer of the base foundation. If you want more coverage, you can add a little extra product where you need it. And now, the base makeup is done. Next, I'm going to use the eyeshadow palette White Russian by Buxom. I start with applying the lighter shade all over the eyelids. Then, I go in for the darker beige shadow and apply it in the eye crease to create the illusion of a more open eye. I then use the same shade to add some color to the outer corner of the eyes. Next, I use the darker shadow on the palette. It is a dark brown. I use the shadow as an eyeliner. Since I want this makeup to look more natural, I'm using a dark brown instead of a black, and it will give a more sophisticated makeup look. Next, I use NYX 3 Steps to Sculpt Contouring Palette. These shadows are perfect for both contouring and to use as eyeshadows. I use the shimmering one on the eyelids and apply it directly under her brows to highlight the eyebrow bone. Then I use the bronzing shadow. I apply it in a 45-degree angle directly underneath her cheekbone, from the top of the ear to the middle part of the cheek. I also apply it at her temples and underneath her jawline. Then I go back to the shimmering shade and apply it on her cheekbones. Since the foundation has a moisturizing finish, all powdery product sets much better onto the skin, so the highlighter will stay in place. Time for some blush. I will use Beautyact's iconic blush kit. I use the shade Rise and Shine, since I want the blush to look natural. I apply it on the middle of the cheeks, working my way upwards. I apply some false lashes at the outer corner of the eyes. Then lots of mascara, of course. I use Buxom Xtrovert Volumizing Mascara that has a lifting effect. For the lips, I am creating a soft, glossy nude lip. First, I use the Buxom lip pencil in the shade White Russian. Then, I apply Buxom's Lip Full-On Plumping lip cream in the shade White Russian. And now the finished look, a natural glam look in soft spring tones that you can wear anytime, anywhere. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring makeup looks.